Ay, sorry. Balik muna ako dun, 6337 is super hard. So, let's do the super hard, okay? Oh, no. Arid rice, level 6337 up. Okay, let's do it. Oh my gulay. Time. Sent. Okay. Team. Oh. Gent. Sent. Senti. Jean. Tinge. Sent. Ting. Side. Tick. Wag na ako na nabahala. Ako na lang maligo ka lang. Nice. Tinge. Sent. Hello, Ben is my name. Welcome. Jeans. So, Chin. Ako na bahala niyan. What's? Sight? Yeah, sige, sight. Mahirap ito look. Super hard daw siya, so mag-clue tayo. Ito. Tin. Oo, tin. Sus. Thank you, tin. What else? Level, ano ba tong level? 6337, super hard. 6337, super hard siya as in. That's why. Sorry ko. 6,000. Time. Tins? Wala Tinge. Tin. Gin. Gint? Tapos na ako ng senti. Centimeter. Ganun senti. Ayaw Venice na Are you going to marry my gulay? Oh my gulay. Ashis. In ties. In ties. Ayan. Jinti ayaw niya. In ties. Meron palang tinge. Tay, yin, tay. Lunch, okay, you have lunch, good. Go, have lunch. Tiny. Hirap. Another clue here. Okay. How about genie in a bottle? Genie in a bottle. Ayun, genie nga. P-E-E. Pinch. Ayaw niya. P-E-E. P-I-E. Tapos, ano ba? Ayaw eh. Another clue, so it's difficult. Tenjik? Ano yung ibig sabihin? Tenj. It doesn't like tenjik. N-G-I-C. N-I na lang. What is N-I? Nis! Why is it so difficult to think of that? T-I-E. Tapos, okay, clue. Magkuklo tayo, ops. Ayan na. T. Letter T-E. T-E-E, like this. T. Ting. What? Ang daming consonant. Ano ba? Ang daming vowels. T-ing. What is that? T-ing. Oh, super difficult, my July. So you have to watch that. Easy game, yeah. But that one is very difficult. What is the T-ing? Ano yung T-ing na yun? T. T as in T. Let me see. Ano yung T-ing na yan? What is T? Latin script, letter T. My guli. No, it's difficult for me, Peyton, someone. How many minutes was that? Let me see how many minutes that I consumed with that game.